The thing that's really special about this event and FIRST overall is the impact that it has on everyone, from the students who get to participate to the sponsors who get involved, as well as parents, family, friends. Everyone hears about it. The kids are so passionate and they bring that with them everywhere they go.
What inspired me to participate in the Southern Cross Regional was my team. Not only the other students, but the mentors as well. Their constant kindness and optimism really made the trip all the way from Western Australia worth it. The journey, though long, has been insanely rewarding and extremely fun.
Being part of this competition has impacted both my technical skills and my ability to work under pressure. Being part of the drivers team in the past 2 years, I've learned how effective it is to communicate and collaborate well with other teams. This experience has reinforced my aspiration to work in engineering, particularly in motorsport and automation.
Just join it. It's such a rewarding and enjoyable experience. It gives so much for you, and I'm sure your team will be amazing.